fixing to have the makings right here of a jambalaya. Got some andouille sausage. We got some pork sausage, and that's the star of the show right there. We got some golden mushroom. We got some mushrooms and steak sauce, and we got some cream of celery. So we're gonna be doing all this up. So we just cut up some sausage, and we got the meat browning nice, some andouille, and some regular smoked sausage. We're gonna let that cook a little while, and then we're gonna throw in our seasoned blend. But it's all coming together. So this is approximately half a bag of pig sweet. The big bag. That's about roughly what that is right there. So we just put in the cream of mushroom, and then wait 30 minutes and put in your cream of celery. And we're gonna stir this around. We're gonna let this cook about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna drop our rice in there. But other than that, see, my jambalaya is a little different than most. Some people put the cream, some people don't put the cream. You got one cream of celery and one cream of golden mushroom. That's why it looks like that color. And that's it. We're just gonna let that baby cook. Fixing to add the rice. I know it's just the rice, but we did 3.5 cups of water, and now I'm doing 3.5 cups of rice, because I'm also taking account the liquid I have already in the jambalaya. So now we're gonna pour the rice.
John and Melvin when they are walking into the studio, but today we are pre-recorded.
So you go to your
So then what we want to do now, we're going to stir in the rice, and we're going to do 3-3-minute turns.
If you want to contribute to this local programming, you may do so at krbs.org. We appreciate
It's amazing how this rice is going to swell up.
John and Melvin, if you're listening on Saturday, John and Melvin, if you are listening on Saturday, Cedric Watson is next to
So now, this is going on turn 1 of 3 out of 3-minute turns. You got to be careful because you're probably going to get some splatter. It's the boiling water that is what's going to cook your rice. Hell no. So now that we got it stirred, now we're gonna go 30 minutes. And then we're gonna cut it off at 15 minutes. So really you got another 15 minutes of boiling. And then that's gonna be it. Now we're going to stir in some onion tops. I'm not one of those that likes the whites. You can put them if you like them, but you're really not gonna taste any of this. So now we're gonna stir this around. If you hear that, that's what they call in French the gras-doux on the bottom of the pot. You see how clean that comes out? That's what you call flavor. So you want to stir them onion tops in there. Cover that 10 minutes and you're gonna be good to go. So your jambalaya, when it's all said and done, should come out like this. Nice, fluffy, and moist.
It's hot.
Yes, it's gonna be a little hot. Because he just took it off the pot, so it's okay.
And that's it. You should be good to go.